This will be a quick demonstration of how to disassemble and reassemble this Deutsch DT 2-pin plug. To disassemble, all we need is a pocket screwdriver. So the first thing we do is identify these notches on either side of the orange component. Take the tip of the screwdriver, gently wiggle it into the notch, and then rotate the screwdriver. And that'll pop the orange component loose. We'll remove it from the connector body, set it out of the way. Next, we need to remove our terminals. The terminals are held in with retention tabs. The retention tabs are recessed into the connector body a little ways. They have a similar profile as the face of the face of my screwdriver here. To remove those, we insert the screwdriver, gently pry away from the terminal, and then pull on the wire. We'll do that for the second one. And that's our disassembly. To reassemble, we make sure our wire seal is in place. Take our terminals, slip them past the wire seal. We're listening for and feeling for a click. Just like that. That click is the terminal going past the retention tab opening up, and then closing behind the terminal. Last thing we do, we take this device called a wedge lock, insert into the connector, and then we're done. Wedge lock keeps the seal in place, confirms the retention tabs are in place, and keeps those retention tabs from opening up over time. That's our reassembly.